This is how to get an org chart together in Excel in 2 minutes, and it even includes photos to make it really easy to know who's who. First, we need to go up to Insert Smart Art, and then we need to find our appropriate org chart, make sure it's got the photos, and this is where all of the information is going to go. So we can highlight this and we can copy it, and we can Control V to paste it right in here. I'm going to move the actual chart over so you can see it, and notice that everyone is on the same line. In order to get the different levels, you need to press the Tab button. So go through and press Tab as many times as is appropriate to get the different levels in the different places. You can watch it as it's populating to make sure that everything is looking good. And then next, we're going to want to add the photos. So if you click on the photo icon, you can insert a picture from various sources. I'm just going to pick my desktop, and then you need to pause and repeat that for every single photo. Now when we're done, we could do something to change the background. So let's go with a gray, and then let's move this chart in place. We'll make it a little bit larger by dragging those little white dots in the corners. And then if we control and select each one of these, we're able to change the background color. So let's go with a navy blue. If you've got a company logo or company colors, that might make sense. And then we're doing some formatting here. And then let's add a title so it's really clear what this is. We could just call it something like Company Org Chart. And then same thing, do some formatting that makes sense. And then change the size of the font, the color. We could do a margin center. There's no filtering. Looks good.